everyone. Today we will discuss importance of business environment in 5 easy steps. First of all, what is the benefit of environment and why we are saying that business environment, understanding of business environment is also important. Because environment gives you a space to grow, to learn new things, to discover new things and to invent new things. So as it is helpful for the business also in the same way. First is फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज. सबसे पहले मूव करने की एडवांटेज आपको एनवायरनमेंट दे रहा है, यानी मैं लोगों से 2 कदम आगे चलूंगी. एडवांटेज मुझे किसके थ्रू मिल रही है? बिजनेस के थ्रू. जो भी बिजनेसमैन बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट को सबसे पहले एनालाइज कर लेता है, उस बिजनेसमैन का बिजनेस सबसे पहले ग्रो करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास मारुति कार का एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए. सबसे पहले मारुति कार ने ही छोटे यूजर्स की नीड को समझा और छोटी मारुति कार लॉन्च की और रिजल्ट सबके सामने है. वी ऑल नो दैट इज द बिगेस्ट सोल्ड कार इन द वर्ल्ड. That's why we say that business environment is first mover advantage. It provides the first mover advantage to the organization or to the businessman. Next is we have warning signal. Business environment gives us warning signal as it gives the warning to business environment. आपको on time, reliable and authentic informations provide कराता है, जिससे आप as a warning signal लेके अपने प्रोडक्शन को या फिर अपने प्रोडक्ट को चेंज कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब फॉरेन कंपनीज इंडिया में एज अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेटअप लगाने के लिए आई थी और मारुति कार को ये बात ऑन टाइम पता चल गई थी, तो उसने क्या किया? इट इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी and without any delay it has delivered so many cars in the market. तो उसने पहले से ही कंपटीशन आने से पहले बहुत सारा कंपटीशन कम कर लिया, क्योंकि मारुति अपने बहुत सारे यूजर्स बना चुकी थी. अगर वो डिले करती तो मे बी दोज यूजर्स और दोज कस्टमर्स कैन बी शिफ्टेड to those foreign manufacturing units which are going to establish in India. So business environment gives you a warning signal so that you can also manage your policies and plans according to those warning signals. Next we have help in tapping the resources. How to help and tap the resources? Let's identify this with the help of one small example. Every day the need of customer and everything change day by day, and you can understand this very well with the example of demand of LED nowadays growing. Before it was not that much, so consumer demand has been changed, and this gives the opportunity to the manufacturer to manufacturing the new products which can be purchased by the consumer and increase the market share of one particular company by tapping the resource of new product. And next we have help to adapt changes. How it helps to adapt the changes? Adapt the changes, we are saying that business environment is dynamic. Every day it is changing its policies, consumer demand is changing, technologies are changing, sometimes political parties change their policies. So if you are aware about the environment, you can easily adopt those changes in the environment and use them for your betterment, for the betterment of the product and to acquire the bigger market share. So business environment gives you the information about what's going all around you, how government is changing their policies, how the technologies were changing. Suppose if still I am using the Nokia keypad, do you imagine that I am able to give you this lecture? Impossible. So if my demand is generated for that, companies have to deliver me those changes and they need to be ready to adapt with the changes, right? We are adapting the changes in the market. We are learning all those things in this mode nowadays. So it means it generates the demand of various products. Maybe the setup of online e-classes, maybe the habit of learning at home, and for that you also require so many products. So as business need to produce those products according to the demand. Now in so many companies taken permission to prepare kits, sanitizers, masks, gloves for the consumers. They know that the demand for these kind of products is increased. So they are ready to adapt the changes and they have shifted their production to normal things to the sanitizer. Next we have helps in making plans and policies. If you know that, we don't know. We are totally unaware about this pandemic situation of COVID-19. So we are not ready with all the things. But if we know that something is going to happen with me next day, I will be ready for that. I will prepare myself for that. So business environment is something which gives you the idea of what going to be in near future, so that you can make your plans, your policies according to that. You can do your SWOT analysis, that you can identify your strength, weakness, opportunities and threats in the market, and that will help you to develop your business. And last we have improvement in performance. Business environment gives you, I have told you that government policies, information about the government policies, change in taste and preferences of your consumers, change in technology, along with that change in market environment. So that gives the idea to the producers that what new I have to produce and how can I improve my performance, how can I deliver quality product, how can I deliver the product which increase the satisfaction of the customer and which helps me to acquire the bigger share in the market. So if he will able to analyze the business environment, he will be able to acquire the larger market, and that will be beneficial for the business. So in this way, we need to understand the business environment deeply so that we can track all the things on time, because just knowing about the things is not enough here. Environment changes एक normal procedure है जो हमेशा होता है, लेकिन the businessman who is able to track those changes for their betterment, जो अपने फायदे के लिए उसको on time पे grab कर लेगा, वही survive करेगा long run में. And this gives a challenge to the businessman to survive in the market by understand these business environment facts on time. Tomorrow we will learn the next topic. By that time, complete this session and ask if you have any query.